Wait, hold up. Come look at this. Look at this shit here. They still have the Jupiter 2 launching in Q3 of 2025. Really? Hey y'all, welcome back to another quick video, but more of a question. Whatever happened to the Jupiter 2? I mean, seriously, what happened? The large format resin printer was evolving to more of a manageable machine, and since resin can be a very messy venture, I was excited to see the Elegoo announce the Jupiter 2 at the Rapid TCT back in April. The Jupiter 2 could solve some painful parts of printing in resin, especially in such a large scale. I know. I have the Anycubic Photon Max, and that machine was such a pain in the ass. It's currently sitting in the corner for bad behavior.
No, thank you, though.
Some of the most painful parts is removing the resin from the vat or even replacing the fat. That is more than enough for me to rip into resin printing as compared to the ease of use of FDM, but I don't want to offend the whole resin community.
Well, you got nothing to say, mouth? I'm gonna fight you now. Oh, are you?
Of course, the resin printing area still has a lot of road to cover in terms of adopting a larger community of users, but looking at these features and how Elegoo approaches resin printing with affordability and some reliability, I'm waiting on bated breath on the potential of this machine. From the videos, it looks functional and ready to roll, so where's the actual release date? Or is this thing just going to hit the site with no further announcement?
Hi, you hungry?
We just need to get this in the hands of some reviewers so we can fully know what this thing can do, unless they already have it and not able to say until release. Whatever the case, Elegoo, we are still waiting and hoping this will move the affordable resin field a bit further. Well, together, let's create some magic, and thanks for watching.